Just a minute. Let me switch off my mobile. It's disturbing. Uh, yeah, come back. Came back. So this is what is done. Now, as my in my letters, I have told you that these channels of base medical stores, that is through Gautam De and this Dhiraj Banerjee, etc., have been investigated by me through several methods and found something alarming for the whole country. Actually, there was a Hindi film named Guru, done by Mithun Chakraborty and Sridevi, where it was seen that Mithun approached for a service in police administration. The police found him very talented and said that if you join police, you have to abide and obey every orders. But you are enough talented to crush down crime on your itself, but you have to obey orders. Therefore, we would like to recruit you as a spy. Instead of getting say 500 salary, you could have got 2000 salary, a higher post. But we want you to remain as a spy, not in uniform of police but in recruitment of police. Instead you will be given all claims, financial and other supports, so that for your wishful life living, which are not illegal but and unjust, but could you please remain as a spy and help us to endeavor crimes, even by bypassing orders which is not apt and appropriate, maybe knowingly or unknowingly put on us to follow. He said, yes, I shall do. He came out after signing the recruitment letter, which was not filmed, not shown, but appeared to others that he is so frustrated that he always remains drunken. It's just a acting, and like this carried on. I just remember the name of the film is Guru, as far as I remember. There was a song, she is a bad girl, fell in love with Sridevi also, and these things are like that. So I think as for the name is Guru itself, I have to check it out. So this was the main story. So that was what I thought, that in my life it would be a social work as well as a part of research, as well as a part of goodness for the country. I tried to join police but was not acceptable. I didn't get the channel, because in Bengal everything is in government is under channels. Government service is under channel. You have no option to execute your talent. You have to go through the dadas or didis or parties or this or that. I went for application of my PhD doctorate program, and I was asked to go through a channel. I was taken by Ronoji Chakraborty, Dr. Ronoji Chakraborty, MBA, whatever, I forgot, in Alipur, this thing of Calcutta University, directly to the PA of the Chancellor, as far as I remember, just for any political linkage. I had many, but I didn't mention any. I opted for job, but it was the twin tower time diminish, did not happen anyway. So that's a separate issue. Then I was asked to donate something to Spasmic Society, and then come to an understanding that how much for the registration, how much for the presentation, how much for getting the PhD. And I was also gave the option that do you want to be a servant of his house, or do you want to pay and get it done prestigious, your father is so much respected. Sorry, I quit it. Went to Kolkata University. Mr. Dr. Paul, over there beside that Dakshineshwar temple. He was joking with me that he has mistakenly paid enough in one of the adult sites through his card while enjoying with his wife in the house. How to recover that? Anyways, I'm not asking you to recover, but I'll meet you in the university formally. I said, okay, fine. I went to the university, Kulani University, and in front of others, when others nodded him, he just said, I can do everything on my signature, on rather our signature, but how to get it approved by a foreign judge, and everybody, every governing body, every judgment body in a PhD has to have a judge from foreign university, which means from outside India, most probably. I don't know, I never got into depth. So he told me that you are like my brother because I had been a student of your father. You are like my brother in front of everybody. I will do everything, but how can I get it done by the foreign university approval? If you have any means, please get it done through political, through legal, through judges, or to whatever. However, if you approve, I can give you the this thing. You can go and tell him, sir, please allow me. If he allows it, I have no problem. I rather not. We are ready to do everything. If you do not know what the subject is, we'll do everything for you. I know you're not a student of that kind. You will do it on your own. We will do everything for you. Even if I am ill or out of station, my colleagues are there. They will, and they said, yes, we are ready to do for you. You have been a university student, college of Kolkata University. We have heard about it from IEM. We are very promising and talented person. We are ready to do everything for you properly. We do not need even a penny. If you say that you have to come here, we are ready to go to Kolkata to get your thanks, so that you do not have to pay the fare of the traveling also. But how to get it passed through the committee where the foreign judge or this thing approver stays? We don't know the solution. I said, is this happens? Yes, this happens. And that is the reason why our educational system, this doctorate system, is not having any promising studies, researches. I never lose hope. I went to CIMA, Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, of which my father was the financial secretary and etc., advisor of education, etc., in the Kolkata chapter. Mr. S.P. Kundu was there. And his son and Gautam, whatever, Chakravarti, I forgot him. And although, all were well known to me. I had written an article in the presentation of the conference seminars. I'd been talking to PWS Coopers and Mr. Obijit Goswami, Nico co-chairman, was there. We had been very friendly. Not friendly, rather very known to each other because of father. And ICWI was also known to me as because I was there DTP in DTP also, Mr. Shyamala Chakravarti, all were there. But I was just told one thing, that I want to do research. This is my background education. Is it supported over here? And this is my research topic on management, which was most probably, which was actually demotivation theory. I'll come to that later on. So he said, so it was given to the, I forgot the name of the lady, someone, an English woman, an English lady who was in charge, and it was quite accepted as a topic. But before elaboration, I just wanted to know what should be the expenditure. And I was given a warm welcome by UK, that and something on corporate research, CSR, corporate social responsibility also, that I am warmly welcome to reside in UK and do the studies and get all the honored by them, and in later course get the job over there. So next video.